southern parts of the UK. In fact, you can see Manston in Kent so far has had nearly 150 millimetres of rain just this week. That's a good few times the monthly average, so it really has been, for some, a very wet story indeed. And we saw more rain around yesterday. Now you can see towards the southwest, that's where we saw some very heavy showers develop into yesterday afternoon and evening. The very bright yellows and greens there showing where we had some, well, a really intense downpours, and that brought a risk of flooding. And the Met Office has more severe weather warnings out this afternoon for more heavy rain to come, unfortunately again towards parts of Cornwall, Dorset, Somerset and parts of South Wales. So still a risk of slow moving, heavy, possibly thundery downpours, and that could again lead to a risk of local flooding. There may be a few showers popping up this afternoon elsewhere across the Northern Ireland, Western Scotland. These hopefully quite not as intense, and there should be some warm sunshine up towards the North West Highlands. Eastern Scotland not faring quite so well. It has been a bit of a wet morning, drier but still not that great during the afternoon. If we head further south, still quite a lot of cloud hanging on really across much of England. It looks as though we're just seeing a few breaks there coming in towards parts of East Anglia, but for many it's a bit of a cloudy story. Now, as we head through the evening, we might finally see a few more breaks in that cloud cover, and eventually we'll see the showers disappear from the southwest. So becoming drier overnight. Quite a misty and murky night though, especially around the Irish Sea coastlines and through the English Channel as well. Quite a lot of mist and sea fog. Not too cold tonight. We're looking at lows of, say, around 10 to maybe even 15 the low in the centre of London. Now, the all-important weekend forecast, well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. It should hopefully start off dry, but we will see some rain later on. So make the most of any brighter spells as we head through Saturday. You can see still quite a lot of mist and murk around the coasts. The best of any brightness tends to be towards western areas, but a risk of a few scattered showers popping up, especially across the southern parts of England and Wales into the afternoon. In the sunshine, temperatures, well, we're looking at highs of around, say, 18 in the north, perhaps 24 in the south. Sunday doesn't look quite so good for England and Wales. More cloud around, and for northeast England there's a risk of some rain pushing